This is the vacuum poop of teammates. Pour some water in the soil and stir. He is going to grow potatoes on Mars. Because when Mark is on mission, accidentally left by teammates on Mars, food is only enough to support 400 days. And the next Mars exploration is 4 years later. That's his only chance to return to Earth. So he built this potato shed in the space capsule. And another condition for planting. Just need a lot of water. Fortunately, there is a well-positioned fuel connection in the base. Hydrogen produced by burning hydrazine. You can get a lot of water. It's a pity that he is just a botanist. After repeated calculations and experiments, water drops finally appeared on the inner wall of the greenhouse. Potatoes sprouted on day 54. Looking to the distant Earth, Mark finally has hope. The food problem has been solved. Now the focus is on how to connect with the Earth. The teammates must think they are dead. And at this time on Earth, NASA has hosted for Mark a grand funeral. Day 79. Mark harvested the first Martian potatoes. Saved the big one to eat. The small ones were replanted as seeds. Looking at the computer, Mark suddenly remembered 1997. NASA will send the Pathfinder to Mars. There should be a communication device on it. G immediately rides the Industry rover, head towards the location of the Pathfinder. And his movement on Mars at this time. At this moment, his movement on the secondary planet. Transmitted to the Earth via satellite images. The attendant saw the rover continue to move. Assuming that Mark is not dead. The person in charge moves through the direction of Mark. Saw his intention. Immediately come to the Earth terminal of Pathfinder. Trying to establish contact with Mark. Here Mark also successfully found the Pathfinder is. And pulled back to the base. After continuous maintenance and debugging, Mark finally got in touch with the ground. But this 97-year-old product can only return still images. Communication delay up to 32 minutes. Under the guidance of computer experts, Mark successfully hacked into Pathfinder's communication system. Real-time communication is established by rewriting the program. NASA decided to send Mark some food supplies. Let him hold on to the next Mars exploration mission. Can come back together. Can be so far away. It takes 868 days for supplies to arrive. Fortunately, Mark's potatoes can survive for 912 days. Everything's ready. Going back to the Earth is just around the corner. But the following changes made all hopes shattered. This day due to the aging of the shed. Momentary loss of pressure in the shed. The whole potato greenhouse exploded. All the potato seedlings were frozen to death instantly. Clean up a mess. Mark can only hope that the food supply on the ground. On Earth at this time, the rocket full of food has lifted off. But due to the large amount of compression test time, the rocket exploded before flying far. Food supply cannot be delivered in time. Mark must die no doubt. He has already started writing his suicide note. And at this moment, Chinese shots learned about it. China Aerospace Administration decided to abandon the Helio God program. Let the ready-made rockets deliver supplies for Mark. Complete the Mars exploration mission with them. But even so, Mark's existing physical objects are also difficult to adhere to. Delivery of this space takeaway. At this time a physical genius proposed the perfect solution. Let the spaceship where Mark's teammate is. Cancel the return to Earth plan. Revolve around the Earth in an accelerating motion. Take the space takeaway by the way. Finally, use a gravitational slingshot effect that I don't understand. Fly to Mars. So you can get there faster. Mark reused the launcher on Mars. Fly to space and connect with teammates. Go to space to connect with teammates. The plan is perfect. But it increases the risk of other players. NASA did not accept. But when Mark's teammates learned of the plan, without the slightest hesitation, immediately modified the flight route privately. Because they want to rescue their comrades in arms. China's rocket lifted off smoothly. Teammates also received this space takeaway. But by calculation, said that the launcher of the movie Mark could not reach a predetermined height. The only solution is tear down everything you don't need. Reduce the weight of the transmitter. But something that needs to be removed surprised Mark a little. He intends to tear down the spaceship launcher, because someone will drive a spaceship to pick her up. They need to dock in space. And this transmitter is too heavy. Unable to reach the predetermined height. Mark covered the top of his head with a piece of thatch. He is going to sit on this as a canopy spacecraft. Ascended into space. The teammate's spacecraft is about to reach the confluence height. Here Mark also lifted off smoothly. The huge impact directly broke his ribs. And the lighter launcher is amazingly fast. 12G acceleration. Made him fainted. At this time, the NASA members on the Earth are extremely anxious. But they can't provide any help. Because the distance is too far. Mark, what happened to them? For the ground, it was 12 minutes ago. And the entire docking process takes only 12 minutes. Both parties successfully reach the predetermined height. But the relative speed at this time, up to 42 meters per second, 151 kilometers per hour. This speed can't achieve docking at all. But the captain immediately figured out a solution. She decided to blow up an airlock. Use the thrust of the explosion to slow down. With the huge shock wave, they feel the relative speed. Down to 12 meters per second, 43 kilometers per hour. The captain came to the cabin to catch. But the length of the cable is limited. There is still a distance between them. Mark, who woke up at this moment, made an amazing move. He poked a hole in the glove of the sailing suit. Used the leaked gas as a propeller. Flew to the captain like Iron Man. He has overcome many difficulties. A person on Mars 400 million kilometers away. After living alone for 549 days, spoken language. Finally rescued. This Mars version of Honey Pinson Crusoe. The degree of restoration of the Martian landscape is very high. This truly reflects the astronauts. The details of life in the product. This film has the full support of NASA. There are 50 pages of the script provided by NASA. In the movie, Mark used Pathfinder to get in touch with the Earth. Is real in reality. He was sent to Mars by NASA in 1997. But the excitement of this movie does not stop there. Simple story. Without the depth and righteousness of Interstellar. Without the burden of saving mankind. For Mark. He just needs to save himself. Is success.